We are back again with RENOGY because they got so many really good deals going on right now that I wanted to highlight. And today we're looking at the RENOGY DC to DC battery charger with built-in MPPT, and this baby's 50 amps and IP67 water resistant. This has really great applications for marine and all-weather situations. If you're in a hurry and just looking for a discount, feel free to use links in the comments or the description. You can get over to this page, get a good deal, and you can use my promo code AdventureTech to get an additional discount on top of the price already going on for this or any other products from RENOGY. Get a good deal and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. So we got the RENOGY 12 volts, 24 volt IP67 50 amp DC to DC battery charger with built-in MPPT. Very versatile piece of equipment. This has dual input battery charger. It is slim and waterproof, and it's great for tight spaces and outdoor situations. With intelligent boost and buck logic, this charger supports 12 volt or 24 volt systems, and it prioritizes solar energy to efficiently charge your house battery and reduce generator load. It has current of 50 amps and outputs at 720 watts. Automatically switches between solar and generator power for continuous charging at all times. Designed for environmentally conscious users, it really maximizes your power, and it strikes a balance between energy efficiency and spaciousness and performance. Transforms sustainable energy with RENOGY's cutting-edge technology. Great heat dissipation, very small size. Intelligent dual charging is so great to have, really upping your green power priority, and the IP67 waterproof protection is something you don't usually see on these. Intelligent dual charging mode, it intelligently combines vehicle and solar power, so you can charge from your battery's DC system as well as solar panels at the same time, and it automatically adjusts modes based on sunlight intensity, ensuring optimal energy use at all times. Versatile voltage adaptability, compatible with a wide range of voltages. It's great, it works with 12 volt and 24 volt systems, easily mounted in your engine compartment, side storeroom. This charger optimizes space, creating a more spacious and comfortable living area with easier movement and easier installation. Optimizes charging efficiency with 720 watt potential output. This battery charger can fully charge 1.2 kilowatt battery in just 1.8 hours. Has a robust and resilient design, drop resistant, temperature resistant, and water resistant. Really rugged. This is probably one of the most rugged MPPT and DC to DC chargers that RENOGY has. It has ultimate reliability because of this, and impeccable efficiency on top. This battery charger efficiently powers the house battery while delivering a trickle charge to the starter battery, ensuring your vehicle starts reliable every single time. Really great product, and really big discount going on right now, so take advantage. Use my promo code AdventureTech. On top of that, get an additional discount to get even a lower price. Use the links in the comments or the description to get over here right now to take advantage while this lasts. Help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. You can subscribe to my channel for free by clicking the subscribe button. Make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to get over to these deals while they last.